Jewelery laser spot welding machine. The machine has a built-in cold water tank, and the water inlet and outlet are on the back of the machine. Press and hold water in to start water absorption. Turn the key to turn on the machine. Click on the screen to open the control software. After the software is started, you can adjust the required parameters on the display screen. Large internal space, convenient manual operation and comfort, suitable for long-term work. The welding situation can be observed through a microscope or display screen. Welding on stainless steel, the mark plus on the screen is for laser aiming. The brightness of the lamp can be adjusted in the internal welding room. Can be used to process and repair gold, silver, platinum and other jewelry. High processing precision and perfect processing effect. It can be used to repair precision products, such as glasses and watches. The welding is very strong and there is no obvious processing trace.